put my feelings to the side. I've been suicidal. Get these hoes a pass and they send me to a rival. Valentino jeans, bitch, I could be your idol. Shit ain't what it seems, on these screens you a problem. I ain't even finna pick a side, even though your friends could see the signs. Had to learn my lesson when you playing in this game. Fighting with my demons on
Hola bafethu, this is Big Billy, the biggest Bali in the building, from the 1s and the 2s, the 3s to the 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 7, again, Big Billy, the biggest Bali in the building, alongside the one and only CJ Makamura Tango. So before we get on to today's business, yeah man, I'd like to say this is episode number 7. This time around I didn't get it mixed up. The other day I said episode 5, but we're shooting episode number 6. So today stories is things that have happened in Ireland in a space of 1 month or so. So the first one is concerning, I don't know, individuals like me coming from countries, whatever. But it's about asylum seekers.
Okay.
So there's this website check out, but I'm on this broadcast group on WhatsApp.
WhatsApp.
On WhatsApp. So this group, it's news in Dublin. I don't know if you're also part of the group.
Massive.
Not massive. It's Dublin news. What? So it's like a broadcasting thing there. The channel status is there.
Okay.
So there's a report. You also said you've seen it on the massive.
I have, yeah.
So it's talking about, I don't know, asylum seekers. So it's going to be like they're going to face movement restrictions.
Yeah.
I don't know what it means, but when I opened the link, it was saying coming into effect. I think is next year. But
next
the
year
bill was passed. I think this week or last week.
It was this week.
Is it this week or last week Wednesday? I'm not sure. But yeah, so I don't know why they are restricting people, but
But even if that was the case, yeah, I don't think anyone has got the right to tell people of their movement, of their ups and downs, because at the end of it all, we're all humans, yeah? And now, besides for their jobs in hostels or asylum seeker facilities, how can you say which there's a restriction on the movement of people?
I don't know how I can put it, but there's that guy who stays here in the way, his name and he sells whatever he's selling. I don't know into detail, but it's people like that who could be a contributing factor. Like when you take some drugs, obvious. It's going to be like there's a whole other bunch of asylum seekers who selling drugs and stuff. Other people, they cause just unnecessary commotion wherever they go.
Especially the niggas, Abu Habibi.
No hate or racism.
No racism, but those people, they need to stay alone. I'm telling you, people need to stay alone.
I was calling
Actually, there was this other time, this nigga literally took the microwave, bruh, and he took it to his room. And what is everyone else supposed to use if you take the microwave?
I
said Rumi, it wasn't even here in Red Cow. It was, I think it was a Selbridge. Selbridge, yeah.
Tata Yonka. Talking about Abu Habibi and them, this other day, like you wake up and you feel like having heavy breakfast or something, So one day, I go to endaweni lapha. Ngifike endaweni ngithi ngisathi zama ukuthi at least ngithole ne-fruit salad, appetite kuya. Someone was literally scooping the fruits with a bowl in their hands inside a bigger dish.
With the bowl in their hands.
Ngibona ngithi ubambe ibhowl so ngesandla uscoopa ngosandla sesispoon lokhana sokuyikho lokhana that day I was like
This niggas.
I bethi lesigubhu
But wait, indaba yezigubhu, right? Indaba yezigubhu actually is not hygienic at all.
Hey, umuntu wakhona ebefuna ukuxhawula so futhi. Hey bra.
That's why whenever I'm talking to these guys, I'm always on some fist pump shit. Because yeah.
But yeah, it could be things like behavior. I don't know other contributing factors, but there was the article I read. It went on to say people who are coming from countries that are deemed safe countries, their processing would be like less than 2 weeks.
Less than 2 weeks.
From a safe country, 2 weeks, konapho so yenza interview.
Sebekutshela ukuthi hayi sala uyahamba ngini. Serious, only 2 weeks.
Yeah. It's been said that from the article, I don't know how far true it is, but you know, when it's already on the news platform, I think it's true. Like it's also said, you've seen it on a massive group.
Yeah.
So I don't think Ulaki is spreading. Yeah, man. So if any of you guys have questions related to iPass, asylum seeking, whatever, please talk to Mr. Lucky. If you don't have his numbers, search on Facebook, Sobona something Marcy. Talk to people in your hostel. They can introduce you to the Marcy groups, and I know there's quite a number of them.
Yeah, there is.
And there are live streams that are done on the Marcy platform. I don't know if it's every Tuesday or what, but I know it's once a week.
Yeah.
8 o'clock. I used to join some of them, get to know the system, what has changed, what is changing, how has it changed, or how is it going to affect you in your own process or whatever, So,
and speaking of the iPass and shit, what do you think of deporting South Africans? Because from last year, almost end of year or something like that, I don't know. South Africans are now being deported because apparently South Africa is a safe country. And what's your take on that since you've been in South Africa? Do you think that South Africa is a safe country?
Everything goes both ways, but it really depends on how you classify or you define safe. Because from the stories, from whatever I've witnessed, I don't think it is a fully safe country. If it is safe, maybe there's safe areas, but I doubt, because even if in like Cape Town, even if we were to say maybe Cape Town is one of the safer cities in South Africa, I would dispute that, because we've heard about gang wars. There's this child who was raped by a teacher, or is it a principal? It's also from Cape Town. So
there's a lot of contributing factors that
I don't know to what extent when they mean like safe country, but I feel like, because when you consider that here in Ireland, you can walk on the street, play with your phone or holding your money, no one is going to approach you, or mug you. Yeah, man. So I don't think it is safe environmentally. I don't know, bro, but considering, same, you can walk with your phone in the street today. Sometimes, not every way, or not like emkotweni ebusuku kwezinye indawo nje.
Dodgy places.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But you know, in South Africa, like this, someone can pull up,
No my go.
close the laptops, take the mic, whatever.
No my go peacefully
They go,
because now what they do, my boys, because I came to Ireland 2 years ago. So before I left, there's a few guys I knew about people, so they were my friends. So what they'll do is they get a vehicle, they'll rent out a vehicle from anyone who is willing to rent out their vehicle, as long as you give them money for their services rendered. They'll take that car and then that's where around, that's what they call it, around in. They'll go to in down as about Sentin, Rosebank, you know, the fancy places. That's where they operate.
I believe even in the club,
I clap in
Shabin, Angazi, but anyway, there's someone there pushing agenda. So I don't know what the people of IPAS classify as a safe country or this is not a safe country. But yeah, I think it is unfair to some extent. Because they were saying certain individuals are using South African documents to come to Ireland.
And of which
it might be also it might be also a contributing factor that people can easily access those documents and they find themselves over here. So
no, it's not what it's easily retrieved or something like that, no. But in South Africa there's fraud everywhere. There's fraud everywhere. You can buy a license, you can buy ID, you can buy passport.
Yeah, man.
As long as you know the right connections or who to speak to, you can get that sorted fast.
Yeah.
So hey, I wouldn't know, but I wouldn't classify South Africa as a safe country because countless times. I think bang in South Africa in my entire lifespan, maybe 3 times or 4 times.
So let's talk about hygiene in my IPAS centers and stuff like. Considering the fact that there is a IPAS center, I don't know where it is, but it has closed. It was closed down or it was put on lockdown
due to hygienic.
Due to is it diphtheria or diphtheria? Angazi abalungu abasaziyo isichazile lapha yabo obaziyo ukuthi bayizana Ache ukuthi wagwana guys kwenzakalani yabo. So I think hygiene angazi into like even omunye umuntu ahambe like kade ngabe bahlala bodwa manje angazi into hygiene.
Mina if it were up to me I would no, if it were up to me wonke lama hostel lawa I would put certain groups of people in one hostel. For example, City Red Cow, maybe Amandebele Wodon. Abantu basi whatever those guys are. Where are those guys from? Bafake bodwa nabo. That way we can avoid conflict and wonke umuntu ohlala lapho understands one language. There's a certain understanding which ngeke sihlulwe communicate even if there was a certain problem. Communicate sikhuluma language one because most of these guys don't even know English. So if there's a certain problem, maybe they don't even understand. You need to start breaking English down.
But when I used to stay here, I was coming from Barsaski. So I understood good Barsaski it's a reception center, you know, that's where abantu abafikela khona. Not everyone, but you know, a handful of that are fortunate enough, you know. So yeah, man, there was hygienic situation. She was born and I was first ufuna ukubhoboka mara. Wena manzi lapha nomunye uphuma lesigubhu sakhe next door.
And you already know ukuthi lawo manzi abeyenzani. Yabo theka kumanzi phansi yabo.
Yeah, so I don't know now bayenzani, but there was this thing about skin whereby we would go to ama toilet la say reception. Think bagcina sebekunanzelela ukustela lokuhamba ukuthi mana abantu njani sebebuya ama-toilet cause then ingazi, but the block that I was staying in, it's block 1 sengigoshiwe CD yabo kunama-shower, sharing showers.
Fana eGomora. eGomora yi-City West. Thina siyibiza eGomora City West because hayi gawu.
Shevile
chili nolezakhe ra usazi ukuthi
kefana nakhona apho omunye red car bathi wabhotshela amazinto bafika
serious
emashaweni last year was 2023 yeah
bona ukuthi abantu laba brother yapapera because I bet ukuthi akona umuntu omnyama. I can bet that much.
So don't get 20 ungabizazi izinto uvele bese gesi isibungo nawe hlowa botsha
abona ukuthi IQ level is low baba, very low in this people.
But I think izinto so think hygiene angazi like vele umuntu kumele ahlazi khambela adini kwakhe.
That's the best way. That's the best way to do it.
Yeah.
No,
I feel like I came to the pavilion then I moved to the main hotel. Then I went back because there was families being moved to Red Car, and I felt like at the stage sharing a room with 15-20 people. It's not nice, dog. Like you're complaining yesterday, someone went through your shit. Yeah, you see, someone is going through your belongings. But I'm told you express when I think express when they say which said 100 something plus. Yabo, when I'm when you don't have that awareness, and every time you figure for me. So ngobali izinto yabo sai angazi ukuthi the hygiene maybe left is not good for hygiene, but I feel like when I got there to the pavilion top, it wasn't that bad, né? I felt like the hygiene has deteriorated. Like it's almost 3 years now. It has been going down over the years. Like by the time I came back, bro, you can literally see mold. Yabona isinki ukuthi njani, like lapho isinki ehlangana khona nomduli around the sink there's signs of mold. Bruh, sometimes I literally bad to use the toilet at work because my toilet uma kungakusuka ukuthi ufike ngabo level past 10 kwedwa ukugcina lapha ngabo 1 after 1 or 2 ayisebenziseke nje. Sometimes uyathola tissue phelile do umuntu usebenzisa i-blue roll le yase kitchen le
ama paper towels
ase uqedile tissue ne wahamba expect ukuthi abanye wasebenzisene. Bra kwezinye indawo umduli yabubona ukuthi umuntu la udwebile njeke yakwazi
udwebe kanti ngesihaba
njeke yazi la mhlambe toilet ngikuba ne yakubona ukuthi into lana ukuthi bese sujahile ne uzamile ukuthi hey mana ngiqinisele ne angifika lapha dog mangithi ngiyado akwangathi ngahlanza but angadli lutho ukuthi ngiyabe ngihlanzana ngikwazi but nje yabobona
yaphalaza inhliziyo
Yeah, man. So sisuke lezi zabo iPass and yeah, like, it's a broad thing. I feel like it's a broad. There's a lot of things to talk about. Yeah, I know. I feel like maybe Katesi, maybe to having three questions, 3 topics or 3 points, ne? But I feel like it's a broad thing, like because kunenge singakhuluma ngakho ukuthi hayi mawusitede lapha, like kunenge izitori eziningi ezenzakala emawusitede. Then considering that people are saying there's a lack of housing.
There's a lack of housing.
Like abantu abanye bathi bayitholakali in ne? But these houses were not for half or whatever. Like there's, I don't know if it's 44 houses or how many houses that were going up for sale. It's a Drogheda, I don't know, but those sites. They're saying it's 100% of the buyers. I don't know if it's 100 exactly or about 100% of the buyers, because this house was sold at an auction.
Okay.
So the people that bought these houses is Indians. Before I finish my question, I'd like to say shout out to them. So I read some of the comments, what some of the Irish people were saying. They're saying these people, they're stealing the jobs, this. Then,
But not to clear, no?
yeah,
You know people who came to Ireland for working purposes and stuff.
yeah, it's
Abamind ukusebenza.
Yeah,
Like
there was-
South African or
yeah.
maybe Zimbabweans in South Africa, you know?
yeah.
South Africans
Ufike
in
izolo
Zimbabwe.
next week yabe
Never
sesebenza.
sebenza because why akakhethi umsebenzi.
Yeah, man.
Lana Irish people feel entitled working with black people at some point. Because I don't know how. Like labantu abasithandisisi kahle because they feel like maybe just like their incident le at the Brian.
Yeah.
Akhumbula lo my sister was confront wathini?
What?
Because their video futhi yatrenda ku TikTok.
Yeah,
usibani?
trend, but what was written on TikTok is
not true.
what it's not what was
It's not what
said
was
and what
happening.
happened. You know, so
Because they were like,
cars
we're burning trees.
and stuff. I was surprised.
How the
Like,
fuck would we just burn trees, bro?
maybe it was wrong to make a fire, but then it was raining.
Apparently it's part of our rules and regulations that you're not supposed to do a barbecue and stuff. Haven't you seen abanye abantu are a bit skeptical about doing barbecues in their houses and stuff?
But-
because there are certain restrictions.
But I'm always passing by people in Clondalkin. They are having barbecues. If it's not on Sundays, because I work on Sundays, yeah. If it's not Sundays, Fridays, or Saturday, if you happen to pass Clondalkin, going to the coast, that area, you can hear brothers, some meat being fried there, burning meat somewhere, you know. But I don't know. It was wrong, yes, of course, but no one
Was burning trees. Nakona, brother, there was not much of a smoke or anything because there was that process whereby sikhwezela umlilo. Obviously, mase sikhwezela umlilo ne kuzoba ne smoke nyane yantoni. And then this Irish woman just confronted us. She didn't even confront us. She started recording on her way to us.
before the one that came is not the one who was
Yeah.
the one who was came. She was insulting us. She said all sorts of things. We just stood there
You
speechless.
baboons, you're coming from wherever you're coming from to come and burn trees. We're like, wow.
But then me, I was like, okay, if there is a restriction, it should be like a time restricted thing, because you can't sell firewood in the shops there.
And you say people should not drive.
What is the point of selling the charcoal and if people are not supposed to use
To
it
barbecue.
You know, I don't know, but anyone knows these things of barbecue and
Restrictions
whatever.
and shit.
Yeah. Please
Let us know, man. Maybe
share-
there's something you
share
should
your
know.
thoughts, update us. Maybe next time, might get into a lot of trouble. So yes, kindly advise us in a friendly way. This thing, I don't know, but where I work,
Yeah.
there's a lot of Croatians
Yeah.
and some Indian people. there's Nigerians, there's Abo, my friend, Natamazim guys and other ethnic groups. But yeah, you know, you see, I've worked at different warehouses. Like the one I used to work at Pana here at Dutin. Yeah? There's full of Kurva, Polish guys, a lot of them. About, I don't know, I can say 75% of the people that work there is Polish, especially the night guys, the guys that work night shift.
Yeah.
Maybe 10% is a mixed of other countries with some African countries as well. Then the 5% that is left is Irish people. And there was a few of them. Some of them were complaining now and again. Then I worked at Sagat, another thing. Polish guys, Croatian guys. It's these guys coming from abroad. And I'm asking these guys, what did you study, you know, to work here? There was like, I don't know what's called, this company, Castro, whatever. They make wires, welding rods and stuff. And this guy is telling me I did engineering, this. I came to Ireland, I went back to school, I found a job now, doing engineering in the warehouse. They're just making wires. And in that warehouse, no, except the hierarchy or the officials of that company, it was even some of the higher ranks in that company, those abantu abagqoka amasudu lana, there was an Indian guy I've seen wearing suit. I don't know if it was a manager or what, but you could tell, look, these people, they invest their energy, their time. Because, okay guys, want to work. They work. Maybe some are gambling, I don't know, but
I feel like what maybe I'm Irish do not know what proper struggle is. More like Tina, who had to move out from our countries of birth,
no, but
because in South Africa, as much as that okay, grant corner, but what can you do with 350 grand in South Africa?
Yeah, I know nothing.
But Lane Island, look, social welfare weekly.
It depends for abantu
Irish. How much is the social welfare weekly? 200 and something.
Or 300, I don't know.
Somewhere around those lines. And what can you do with that amount of money, Lana? A lot of things, bruh. A lot of things you can do.
Man, 250. Okay, let's just say 250. Week.
No, it's 238, I think. The week, if I'm not mistaken.
You know, at the €5 you can sleep on a full stomach.
Bruh, that's what I'm saying with that amount of money.
And food here is not that expensive. It's not that maybe expensive. The accommodation and stuff, but you know, I've met this other Irish guy, and he was saying it proudly. Maybe I might not have the evidence and stuff, but he was talking to me proudly. You know, Ngangbuki, there's somewhere. So, you know, these places like my residence, but Bukwa and stuff.
Okay.
Here's a book. What there's a town there.
Yeah.
It's a Panel Street or whatever. No, Panel Street. I forget the street name.
Doesn't it?
Yeah. So this guy is like, "Do you stay here?" And I'm like, "No, I just came to the place. I'm leaving tomorrow, going to where I'm going." And then he's like, "Oh, he stays here." And I'm like, "Oh, I didn't know like people stay here. I thought maybe you also booked or something." He's like, "No, I stay here and I also stay not far from here. Like, you know, like he doesn't pay rent, he stays for free, and he also goes to work." So I was like, "You work and you stay for free, then what are you complaining for?" Because it's gonna be some of the individuals. Because it was like he wants to reap and benefit from nothing until whatever time possible. But I think it's such individuals that are gonna be there in the street, same individuals again. They're gonna be like, yeah, they're taking the houses, but you live for free.
Besides, have you seen?
You get 200. I don't even make 200 a day, dog. I work. I make 120. Takes 125, 126 or more. I get text more than the money and but you know, some people say, hey, text. Yeah, I don't know, maybe I started paying text 2 years ago. So it's not a bigger deal to someone who's been here long enough. But I feel like, you know, when I got here, when I got my work permit, after a week, I was that guy, warehouse. I went there, started pushing. It don't even end much, bro. But you're just there to try and make something work.
I feel
So
like at some point, racism and shit is something we're gonna have to get used to at some point, because if we're gonna be here, which means we're gonna be living with those conditions. Yeah, so I don't know, man. I don't know. But this it is what it is it not? It is.
Yeah, then, you know, let me conclude. There's a guy I work with. He's like, no, I bought a house in Spain, this, so maybe this year I'll move there, I'll retire. Like, oh wow, that's nice.
That's nice. Yeah.
You've worked. And I'm asking him, how long have you worked yet? Musgrave is like, what, 23, 27 years. Some of the guys are telling me they're almost 30 years working there. So he's had his fair share. I'm not saying he's the one who's complaining, whatever, but no, he's also Irish. So he's buying houses in Spain, or he bought a house, or it's a houses, I don't know. But why I don't buy a house here and say, yeah, we don't have houses, but you know, can't go and buy a house there.
Because why? In Spain it's much cheaper. In Spain it's much cheaper. So try to pay a mortgage. Spain is much cheaper. I don't know who said due to their jobs in Spain. Actually, minimum it's about €7 something per hour. You know, so which means that should tell you something. Which in Spain, if you were to buy a house, it would be much cheaper than in Ireland.
Yeah, you see, so
that's why
I
I've
don't
seen
know.
with other people who go on vacations to Spain and what.
Yeah.
Bruh, they'll be bowling there, and once you try to pay my prices, it's affordable compared to Lana or other places.
But I'm not saying people shouldn't go buy houses. Wait. But I don't understand some of the complaints and stuff. Bruh.
First of all, the weather is shit here, bruh. So you're telling me which one you'd like to stay here forever?
No. I'm not saying that, but you can't then complain and say, because those people, I believe they bought those houses with their money and stuff. So it's not like fraudulent, or it's not like they were given those houses. No,
they worked for
those people. I don't know how much a house goes for, but I know it's more than 100,000 going there.
What I know is that with 30,000 you qualify for mortgage in Ireland.
But yeah, I'm saying cost of a house is like 100,000 plus, ne? So it has to be legit, bro, because those people, they're buying a house, 44 of them. Anyways, people have money, so I don't blame the person who sold the houses as well, because he saw potential customers and etc. Everyone?
Never know.
Then point number 5, CS Studio. We kick back to our usual being.
What exactly is our usual being? As the work
Thathi indaba siyifake emehlweni endlebeni zenu. So I'm disappointed. No, I'm talking about this because I'm disappointed. I don't know what's happening in music industry. I thought maybe abantu have record the music nje basithiza.
Abantu babe bhinyane studio.
Is a studio there, guys. So
it doesn't
let me not say.
It doesn't consider us.
Let me not say the names of the girls' name.
You know the names, Velen?
Bro, I've been doing a little bit of some research, but the girls, if you guys are interested, please hit me up or hit CJ up or any of the MSO members. We would like to have you on the show. You know what? We would like, personally, myself, I don't hate the music guys, but I would like to to spread awareness about this, because it might get out of hand. Kuzagcina sokuthiwa e-studio omunye bamreka, yabo? Because
and speaking of into zokurage nanani, guys, to whom it may concern, take pride in what you did, baba. Umithisile. Ndoda amajita abulali ngokuphika abantwana.
Baphika abantwana amajita.
Ethi vile uthi bayaphika or stuff, but hayi guys, into leli yenza lithu ne mutual in fact before you guys got to leyo nto yokuthi senifike senikhumulana impahla nani, right?
Vumelene.
It was a mutual understanding and agreement, right? All right, even though, but you guys know the consequences of sex, right?
Chethi wacho, sex is not for enjoy.
Sex is for ukuyenza umntwana. Ake ukuthi manje ukwazi ukuthi wena
ungene
emahembe and you fail to pull out, then so kunama results. So ngathi manje uCherry is the one who's at fault.
So ngathi kombuCherry or so ngathi uCherry na wahamba wafeba or
ungathi uCherry is at fault. Manje take pride in what you did.
Wherever you are or whoever they are. Amachita. Amachita. I feel like Jeggy maybe mango singane wasayifuni. I'm not saying I condone it or I support it. Yeah. But I would like to remain personal. But I feel like there's when we're at school, bruh, we're taught things like contraceptives, abstaining was the number one.
And recently last year we got introduced to this word, is celibacy. What you call it? Celibacy. What you wanna call it?
Yes, but
I'm celibate.
Oh, I think I've heard about this thing.
But
you know, guys, maybe we pull out together.
Then why don't you take measures such
things
as
like contraceptives, family planning, abstinence? Maybe abstinence into lani.
But
I think, alright, skip abstinence. There's family planning methods. Lama condom, landana.
Oh,
no, but besides I feeling akusekho mnandi the way, but kuqakathekile as long as because then especially like island ngiyathola ukuthi vele uCherry namshiya ngithola so ewane ngagula khona there is a higher possibility of contracting sexual diseases, transmitted diseases. So as much as Jeggy kungabe kufani Jeggy ukuthi abantu Jeggy ama-condom abawagqoki, but abantu kumele ba-condomize. If you can't condomize,
stay away,
abstain. If you can't abstain, as ngizakule ezithiwa kuyapreventa what I think it's family planning.
Namachita sekwazi ukupreventa these days, you know.
Yenza family planning yona le yabo.
Because I feel it's very unfair, we did this activity together, and then manje sokunama outcome, manje it's a one-sided affair. Right, manje uCherry uyo manje kumele abe under pressure because most of our chita cooperate. Isibali ma uCherry semtshela ukuthi ndoda, I think I'm pregnant. Achita cooperate ndoda. Ngachita cooperate. Sizayenza ngathi manje it was a responsibility kaCherry ukuthi anyomole. Hayi.
And when I'm also
exactly my point. That's why amachita so irresponsible.
Amachita Jeggy.
So irresponsible.
Today I was talking to someone, but it's not a guy, it's a girl. So she said, if ngingeza ukuthi yena uzithwele wathi like obviously ngingafuna ukuba kwazi ukuthi umithiswe ngubani nani lana hayi mina wouldn't mind. Obviously ngizoba shocked ukuthi ubani okay mithile nini kanti
No, but ecava
ne
ne.
but
Okay, let.
I feel like Jeki ungamithisa ne ukuthi sukhodile enough ukuthi yakwazi ukuthi into leyana vele because kumele accept sometimes makunga accepteki discuss as a couple ukuthi okay lapha sesibotshile la
Senza njani.
Yabo.
How we cleaning up this mess.
but I feel like you have to acknowledge that's where your life changes
Nah, but
and the game is in your mind now ukuthi
no,
from
but
that point ingqondo yakho iba weak or iba strong because ingaba weak you fault yiko phela lapho ukuthi amajita support lana kwacela khuluma khona izinto nje ezigcina la sokuthiwa ukukhuluma ezinye
but ecava ne that's why ngisho ukuthi kawu yithi abantu abadala manje ecava ukuthi akusela into emangazayo ngomuntu opregnant. Siyabe sibabaza kuphela but yithi abantu abadala bamanje nje akusela into emangazayo. That's how the world works. Khona vele kumele bebe ngabazali.
yeah angiyalo vele sizala ngabazali
Ngokuya so that's why ngisho ukuthi yale ukuthi manje umuntu kumele simangale but into ekhona
no ngiyangizomangala nje ukuthi how uzibani but it doesn't concern me usithwele so ngaze bekwazi ukuthi usithwele kwejintshana nix it's not like ukuthi kumbe ngizakuyangizethengela ingane le ubisi or no it's just that ukuthi
manje ingane yami kahle
sengikwazi ngingazihlupha ngomntwana wami ngithi vele umntwana lokho vele ngifuna ukubona kuyaphuma kanjani vele no it's none of my business because
but
ukuthi lo mntwana wakhona sozowadlala layo lokumphatha futhi so angazi
I just hope ukuthi yamanje ayisayenzi njengama 90s phela ama 90s ngokuthi phansi bebalekela abantwana bayabulala
yeah bensathi ukuthi yabona amajita Jeki angazi phela abantu abangavuma ukuthula nje umuntu abesafuna ukukholisa ungathiwa khona lokho bekhona vele bebhizi igijimisa abafazi abocherry abachana man khula majens then resisakhuluma ngezo kumithiswana lezi
asivale
sesivala ne if ucherry let's say ungamithisa ucherry amithe akhuphisisa
engantshelanga mina
no actually like it's a great thing like she has abortion and stuff should a guy leave the girl in the near future then if things don't work out or should he stay and try to make things work because considering that blockade maybe sekakhuphisisa or angazi wamele umyale lo ntombazana or wamele elungisise izinto
hayi yaza ukholula umuntu umtshela ukuthi uyamthanda kutshela uthando lupheli Impilo meli qhubeke mangazi ngazithola ku situation enjalo but mina just feel like uthi andoda ase kuchile if ungasena love call it quits ndoda because maso maybe ngizibulale mina ukuthi manje there's no longer love here manje I have to force all in the name ukuthi mina now been through shit.
Alright.
But thando linga expire
back to a studio so
athethi indaba ye-studio kanti ukuthi ngenzakalani
e-studio ne so there's a banasibona bangaka abantwana lapho 1 2 3 4 if it's 4 or 5 girls ne I don't know if they would like to come and so there's a thing that is happening in studio whereby hitting ama-artist ngama-producer so kulama music teachers island lapha angazi ngithini ne but it's happening that there's guys that are inviting girls to the studio in the name of making music in the name of teaching them how to DJ uzathiwa mina ngafundisa uzibani uku DJ la ufuna ngikufundise wathi yangithola so the first story name I don't want to say the girl's name
don't.
I haven't get that permission yet.
Don't.
But this girl says her and a friend, they wanted to make music, or they wanted to learn, or she wanted to be a rapper, or that aspiration and so. So so the girls approached, I don't know if it's a guy or these guys, and they said she wants to make some music and stuff, and so when they went there, turned out there was another agenda planned. Instead of making music, there was another agenda pushed to the extent whereby one of those girls bagcina balele naye ukuthi etoilet because epirates kulama camera.
But the question is, was it forced or willingly? Or she
maybe
was manipulated?
No, Tologote Peda, it might not be forced sex,
but manipulation.
Peda, I can hit you with the what you call this thing, psychological, reverse psychology.
Yeah, reverse psychology.
I can try you psychologically to the extent that you might not realize it now, but ngokuya uzobona ukuthi as that yes asenze music studio but asenza mina bagcine bami bengikhwela ngalo uyangithola. So as much as I don't think it's funny, ngibona uhleka, so it's not funny because it's not funny. It's not funny because I would like to see music industry okay island here cool and nathi sinbuye sin support shout out there's I want to see girls, maybe you end up not making amapiano or hip hop. There's R&B, there's soul music, there's gospel, there's a lot.
Maybe that's why abanye watcheri who can actually sing end up not wanting to work with certain people.
She ended up quitting music at all. Ne? Then there's a girl called I'll just say Trap.
Don't mention names.
Trap ne? Trap and subject Trap Trap allegedly someone who was there. So this person who saw this and shared the information to the source that told me that person was there at the studio on 2 or whatever occasions, or it's either one occasion, but that person felt like Utrapu was being invited to the studio in the name of making amapiano music, but the intention there was to chow her. I don't know how true is that, but it's still same story related to I think you can see this name. Ne? So there's another girl. I don't know if she wanted to be a DJ, whatever, but she asked another DJ. DJ fundisa ku DJ ya DJ Trawakomba wati ucherry low ngamfundisa ku DJ ya ngathi let me tell you sizela ngathi ami story lesangiqala ukuthi ucherry low ukuthi phela njani. But I believe ucherry low vele ku DJ wafunda not lapha endaweni ne ngingazi, but kuthiwa u-DJ lo ukhona khona island Khathesi. I won't describe whatever, but ukhona khona island. There's a new wannabe type of DJ, so wathi hayi wena yabubuya ngale endaweni senjani safika sikufundise thina safundisa uzivami in the name of chowing them,
Mbona I'm a cheater, but if this is true
I don't know if
approach matoda We'll change approach
because kuzathiwa one day studio khona ngale Pirates kulomuntu orechiwe, and I like to say shout out to this mom, the last girl, ne? Allegedly, there's a girl that went with the mom to the studio. It might look funny, dog. That is singahleka. Sasukubona mama akho kugadile khona phana studio because this girl was working with a different. Now she was working. This girl is another different story, ne? So my source saying this girl wants to seven nabantu abanje so.
As for my source.
Source yami. So kwathiwa mama akhe wabuya naye studio because maybe athola ukuthi ugirl wakwazi istories zona lezi ukuthi omunye uCherry bambize studio in the interest of making music wagcina bemhlile. So maybe umzali wakhe la yabe ngathembi vele ukuthi
But it happens
ngale ma studio khona ngale kwenzakalani, yabo? Because
but it happens, especially maybe
ngale yami tele studio khona ngale.
Sokufika thwa kwenzakaleni. That is hambi studio. Kanti studio le angenza music.
Yabo? Angazi abantu amelanga bahambe lotshwala studio khona. Thengana ama drink, ama coco, Pepsi. Maybe ngafika le
because ngathi mase liphuzile kule certain things in your bodies that start rising.
Sidlule lezi studio lezi. This one is a bit sensitive, coming all the way from Limerick.
Oh, madala lo.
Shout out to the Limerick Mandem, yeah.
Oh yeah, what the yes. Imagine abantwana bakhona bo the
no, besides abantwana, bro, the thing that struck my heart, I think it came in usually so. Umdala wakho
I think ngale
but umdala adlisa ilizwe wena mdala. Hayi kabi. Ivideo yakho nami ngayibona isitu. Idlula lo muzi.
Kala bakhona vele are they certain ukuthi wase Limerick?
Ndoda kuvele Limerick khona ngale. Tawo labantwana abagraduate le abanye badala kulathi.
Imagine ubaba wakho ubaba wakhe efonini babe busy sidlalisa.
No, but the painful part is olomfazi ne. So wena yechimfazi endlini la esendelana nomunye. And lo sisi lo wena lo wamemsendelanga. Maybe athola wayo ku video call wamposta. I'm trendis phela manje.
Ngathi zongitrendisa mani wena manje.
Umfazi ndoda yamkhangela uthini ndoda.
Because I bet ukuthi le video la beka ngayisendela umfazi wakhe. I guarantee you that much.
Obvious. Umfazi wakhe vele bengeka menze njalo.
Even if umakhwapheni for sure. Yabo umakhwapheni because umakhwapheni balento yabo le ukuthi
phela bekwe video call le ubone ngapha omunye lo sisi uvaliwe sefonini yabo. Onganga ukuthi vele twa maybe uthola ukuthi injiva le ikhona into yayenzayo. Uthola ngathi vele ngibambo. Base bemiyenzisa la wavuma. Bahle kwatsha.
Asanje one thing about thina majide sengeke nanzilile ne. Singabhonyela sicabanga. Yi problem. Singabhonyela sicabangi sivele sibe stupid.
Ingqondo
not even stupid, sabe stupid.
But ngazi abantu beLimerick abayazi indaba le. Shed some light.
The comment lapho kuma comments
iqiniso or maybe umuntu isource yami was wrong, but no, there's a video. If there's a video, it's true. But thing is, just say allegedly.
But the thing is, how sure are we ukuthi umdala lo se island vele Limerick?
I phela yazi when my source told me I've got friends in Limerick. I called.
Oh, so it was verified ukuthi into ekhona.
Ngabuza ngathi khathi intwana eLimerick sanitshela ukuthi eLimerick busy these days nezinto ezibheka so. Wena kanti khona uyenza indaba le.
Kanti indaba
sile 2 weeks kumbe sitwa sile 2 weeks so it trend busy khona ya trend vele.
Ngathi zongitrendisa manje.
Apparently there's another person who was saying that mfazi wakhe aka speed nje ku social media kana I think I read two parts of the singing guys, but I'm dating it and can. Majinsu ubona ubaba akho ndoda sokuthiwa ama-notes ababa akho ayatrenda.
Not even ama-notes, ivideo.
Ndoda uqale lihlezi phansi waze wayenza okokusukuma. Sure, kudala. Awukho isibongo sakho sosakho sibanda. Ngazi ukuthi ngumuntu serious. Then last of the stories, this one's from Waterford. I don't know if the guy is Muslim or is colored. Angazi awama-notes into sesitayile. Ukuthi ama-notes wakho engatrenda lawo vele uzatrenda.
But there are platforms or such things with ama-OnlyFans nangani. Asihlazi thina. Sifuna ukubona thina abanye.
But because this one, the one from Waterford, I don't know, this guy apparently, or is allegedly, this guy was dating or was engaging with the minor.
Huh?
So the guy kept on saying, go to vele mina ngiyangifuna umbambe lapha vele kwentele emasendweni yabona.
Ngitshela umntwana.
Andibonile ivideo elengile ndoda. Navele le video langu ukuthi kwenzakalani. Umuntu lenge ngamasenti semoyeni le. Guys, Limerick and Waterford. Please step up front, guys. Comment section will be open. This shade ukuthi kwenzakalani.
Wakwa.
Kasi ndoda bebejinga ndoda ngentambulani. Nami phela ngiqale njelwa ne. Try bejola le minor, so I thought maybe ukuzihenga was trying to castrate himself or whatever, like because kungathiwa maybe funakala ama-samples whatever, you know. That's the first thing. The figure visuals. So mase ngibona ivideo lokho intshombo kwakhona kungaka, so kumbe bezama ukudonsa ekwamanje. So angazi ukuthi sibamfaka intambo lapha nebezama ukudonsa ukuthi kuphume kuzama ukuthi ngathi kunde
Omebade zama ukuzithena.
angazi. But try kept emphasizing the point yokuthi vele ufuna ukubanjwa la. So
Kwanzaramu asiyuthi kwanzaramu.
Abazali make sure abantwana benu lapha not ukuthi like avesama abantu bebadala ndawo yabo ungafuni ukubanjwa.
No, but it's a certain extent ne nabantwana labo ba wrong ka phela abantwana bazidezi basithi ay thina imagine wesize ngoba kubiza thina
abantwana
ethiwa ngumntwana kodwa ngisize yakho
yikho phela khonokho wocina sebekutshela ukuthi wena ulegwayi lincane wena igwayi la kwazi usujwayelela amangaka vele noma ngaze ngithi uJohn uvuvuke kanjani uzondile vele akathinte emdulini sejayele amagwayi we-apartheid. That's not my words. But vele ngeke jeki ukuthi wena ngeke uyojola lo muntu omdala kolami ne whatever reason we're doing it ne
into abanga understand yazini ne
but ngeke ukuthi usubuya kimi usungitshela ukuthi ya wena yakhe intshombi incane vele into yena le yabo cherry ukuthi intshombi incane why is it like abo cherry ne angavela kutshele wena lisajola bafana da wena BK intshombi yakho incane yabo ngithola cause kefana nalami so ngingahamba kathesi ngithi let's say exam Karam
Who's Karaman? Who's Karaman?
Ngiyambe sengihamba sensithi igwayi lika caramel yavele liba manzi 2 seconds sokumele belokho ngifaka amathe haya kabe sokungathi kumbeni abantu yaba ngakubelieve abantu babona ngathi le hate ne omnye umuntu uzambuza vele why ungakhuluma ngisathola la yangithola because at that point in time yathola ukuthi maybe mina ngiyabe ngingekho to come and defend myself or like caramel abengekho ukuthi abuya azos defend that vele nje vale yanya le yenga perform yangithola but then mina I feel like ezinye izinto
Besides, I feel like
stooping down low.
No.
Uzehlisa.
No, enye into nekhona. People, you must stop talking bad ngama-ex nama-celebrity. Because I feel like ama-opinions nalawa awasancedi because i-relationship siphelile and yabuchaza abantu ngegama lomunye umntwana yabo, and it's wrong. It's wrong. It's wrong.
Guys, wrong. Kumele likwekele. So
Athi wanzarabo asimote. Wanzarabo.
no, but ngiyahlala ngizibuza khona ukuthi lokho kuyafana nalo bani kathi wakuthambana wakhulunywa ngayo lokho ngoba but kulo munye wakhona ku-podcast yethu kathi hey wena legwayi elincane wathathi
no, especially abo Cherry will just say whatever ukuzwisa ubuhlungu. But mina ngokubona kwami gawu ne into le ifana le rice yakhukhuma.
Mina vele Jeki mina if mina supposed to wise bengakhulumi uqaliseni napa maybe first day yakho sewabhotshe khona angakulanda kuthela into yazizole lapha besekumnandi wena wahle wathi team yadliwa.
But gawu ngenzeni masenzora nto? What am I supposed to do?
No, angiyali phela ke ngisho ukuthi why engakutsheli yena sokumele azikhulume kuma live or ma video
somele uzwe ngabanye abantu manje
ukuthi utha wena sabe no 2 minutes
uyinutris
guys
make 2 minutes.
So this is episode number 7. So before we wrap it up,
word of the day, BK.
Word of the day, Mpankeni. It's the word of the day.
I know you must translate Mpankeni.
Okazisisiyo awuzijeki ukuthi Mpankeni. Ngithi these days inkomo ya KFC angabusisiyo la I'm referring you to Eugene.
Mpankeni
Hayi ukuthi inkomo ka KFC ngenjani. So watry inkomo ka McDonald's. Inkomo ka McDonald's yena.
Imagine udida nami ndoda ngaphatha Sanjeli. Hawu Sanjeli.
Okay, but on a serious note, today the word of the day sengikhohle ngicabanga, but what I can say is if your parents are still alive or if you have either of the parents, take opportunity to be grateful to them, even if it's the slightest thing, but just show appreciation to your parents, or it's a guardian, whoever. Just show people love. That have taken care of you, that raised you, etc. Maybe abanye babili labazali, but your guardian can also be your parent. Danko.
Today asina motivation. Mawuthi uzibulala. Kill yourself. Afana musa. Danko.
Guys, from Big Billy, the biggest Bali in the building, and CJ Umaqamuda. This is episode number 7.
Danko.
Fighting with my demons when I put it to the side. Yeah, pack the bag, I'm leaving. When you give a reason, finally kick my feet up. Next up in Ibiza, try to use a diva. I might need me Lisa. Fuck, I'm in sativa. I'm in the Louis.